I was a
Kuya.
model before.
Hello mga kababayan, my name is Lyra Labasada from Dil.
I'm simply a vlogger from
I
Net25.
simply own Lyra's Artwork event page in Facebook. Seasonal per
I have lots of
upcoming
friends from events
Kaya
and
mag-inquire na
photography.
kayo kung kailangan niyong events ngayon hanggat nandito pa ako. My future plans
I used to love to eat and
Australia.
I love traveling.
Oh, for now, I want to embrace the
This is Omicron and this is our house.
field
From a Bean
travelers,
extension to
another
Lupian,
page to
Bataan.
like and follow. To my Facebook followers, my 5K friends,
I'm
and
not a
to my
famous one, but
random
I am so
fans
friendly
in
and
other
nice.
account.
Shout out to
Here I
Miss
am.
Catherine Bernardo,
Please support
Kambal.
me.
I love you.
Gusto ko manalo para makabili ako ng bahay para sa pamilya ko at papagamot ko si nanay. Salamat po.
Raketera lang po ako dito sa Dinalupian. Tambay ako ngayon. Please heart and subscribe.